with the results of the 2022 Great Detergent Challenge. So I did one a while back, and I thought it was time to update it and see how they're performing. Some may have gotten better, some may have gotten worse. Persil was the winner the last time, so let's see how they do this time. All right, my methodology was I picked these brands, and the brands I picked were the Tide Ultra with Oxi, the Purex Pods, the All Free and Clear, the Persil again, some Gain, the Arm & Hammer, True Living, which is the dollar store brand, that's this one, Xtra Oxi, which I also got at the dollar store, but I'm not sure if that's a dollar store brand or not, and Purex Liquid. Alright, the breakdown as far as cost goes, the most expensive was the Tide Ultra with Oxi at 23 cents a load. The Purex Pods were next at 21. The All Free and Clear was 19 cents a load. Persil was 18 cents a load. Gain was 17 cents. Arm & Hammer was 15. True Living at 13. And then the Xtra with Oxi and the Purex Liquid tied at 9 cents per load. Now the way I figured the cost per load is I looked on the bottle, and however much it said used for a medium load, I divided that by how many were in the bottle. That gave me a number of loads, and then I divided the price by that. So it was totally fair all the way through. Whatever the manufacturer said is for a medium load, that's what I based it on. Then I took some gray quilting fabric and I cut it into strips, and I stained it with different stains. Now the stains I used were mustard, ketchup, chocolate syrup, some taco drippings, some lipstick, some foundation makeup, dirt, just plain old red dirt out of my yard mixed with water, and some coffee, and then some blueberry. And I stained them all the way across. Number 10 down here on the end, I don't know if that's in the frame or not. I may have to slide over some. Now you can see it better. Right. Number 10 was my control. That's the one I did not wash. So this is what they all looked like to start with. And this is what they looked like after they were washed. One time I used the regular setting on the washing machine, warm water. And I also put 2 towels in each load because the friction is one of the things that helps the laundry detergent work better. So here we go. Then I went and I picked, I ranked them according to stains. And the way I did this is I looked at the stain and I picked out the darkest one, and I went down from there. And I thought it was kind of neat. I was really impressed with myself. If you're doing a science project, this would be a great one. So what I did is if, number 4 was the darkest, then I flipped it up so that way it was easier to judge, and then I just kept on going down the row, picking out the darkest one each time. Now, the darkest color was number 1, and number 2, and number 3. So, therefore, the lower the number, the worse it did. So, we're looking for a high number. Like number 9 would have been the last one flipped, so that would be the lightest stain. As you can see, nothing touched the mustard. So I didn't even count it in my tallying. The ketchup was also pretty even on the other side. I just about couldn't see where any of them left any ketchup. So I picked out the darkest and then the second darkest, and the rest of them just got 3s. So it was all, pretty much a wash. Now from there on, I could kind of look at it better, and I had to get different lighting situations. But anywho, so the final tally was, and I will put a link to this chart down in the description, or you can pause it right there, or I'll do something. But anyway, this is how they ranked. Now, the Persil came in first with a 57. Tide Ultra with Oxi was under that. Tide Ultra Oxi and the Gain both tied with 42. And Arm & Hammer came in next after that, and it went down. The All Free and Clear was the big loser with only 20 points. So, I don't know. Anyhow, let me know what you think about the methodology. And I think now I'm going to work on some stain videos, because you can see no detergent got out everything. And that was a little disappointing. But then again, these are the ultimate stains, and I really knew nothing was going to get everything out. So it was good to look at the differences. And like I said, I'll take some still photos of this, and I'll put a link to it down in the description, so if you want to look at them better, you can. But anyhow, Persil reigns supreme for one more year. See you next time. Thanks for watching.